too, you know. The second chorus, a little jazz, a little pep and everything, you know. Come on, I'll vamp until ready. Let's go. Go on, Bert. That's it.
The chorus in F sharp.
There may be streets that have their sorrow, a smile today, a tear tomorrow. But there's a street that lives in glory. It always tells the same old story. Don't bring a frown to old Broadway. You've got a clown on Broadway. Your troubles there are out of style. From Broadway, your way, where to try. A million lights, they flicker there. A million hearts beat quicker there. No skies are gray on the great white way. That's the Broadway melody. Don't bring a pound to old Broadway. You've got a pound on Broadway. Your troubles there are out of style. For Broadway, your way there to smile. A million lights, they flicker there. A million hearts beat quicker there. No skies are gray on the great white way. That's the Broadway melody. Hot dog.
If we can get that number, we're a cinch for the pound.
All right. Hello, girls.
Hello, Eddie.
What?
Listen, Eddie, we'll take that song and smack it over for you.
Oh, no, not this song, babies. Denfield's bought it for his new review. And the Mahoney sisters are coming from the West to put it over for me.
Oh, listen, Eddie. You're not going to waste a swell number like that on a small-time sister act, are you?
Nick's cracking, Rosie. Half of that sister team is going to be the future Mrs. Eddie Kearns.
Ooh, wait a minute, Eddie. If you want to be made overnight, just give us a crack at that number.
Oh,
Come
no.
on.
Oh, no.
Please,
Oh,
now,
no.
real quick.
No, no. Positively no.
Please.
Oh, I've got to get back to the hotel. The girls are waiting for me. Oh, but listen. If you want a song, see Georgie Cohan. He writes good music, too.